In recent news, a Manhattan jury has ordered former President Donald Trump to pay a staggering $83.3 million to E. Jean Carroll for defamation, following her accusation of a decades-old assault. The jury awarded a significant $65 million of this sum in punitive damages, a clear indication of their stance on Mr. Trump's alleged malicious actions towards Miss Carroll. The scene in the courtroom, presided over by Judge Louis A. Kaplan, was solemn as the verdict was read out. The reactions were polarized, with Trump's legal team visibly dismayed, while Miss Carroll and her lawyers saw it as a victory for women standing up against bullying. The journey towards this verdict has been a long one, with this not being the first legal confrontation between Carroll and Trump. In an earlier case, a jury had awarded Carroll $5 million for similar accusations. The attention these cases have garnered has been significant, not least because they coincide with Mr. Trump's political activities. The current verdict, which far exceeds the previous one, will likely shape future legal strategies and outcomes. Mr. Trump's response to the recent ruling has been one of defiance, vowing to appeal and asserting the absurdity of the legal system. With other legal battles on the horizon, including civil fraud and criminal indictments, the legal landscape around Mr. Trump continues to be complex and fascinating. The implications of this case extend far beyond the courtroom, potentially influencing public perception and political dynamics. Ms. Carroll's testimony has shone a light on the impact of Mr. Trump's alleged behavior, revealing the ripple effect his actions have had on her life and reputation. The drama in the courtroom was palpable, with Mr. Trump's abrupt departure during the closing argument and the intense exchanges between the legal teams. Ms. Carroll's lawyers effectively used Mr. Trump's presence in court to bolster their case, painting a picture of his alleged attitude and actions. A key point in this case was the punitive damages awarded, serving as a clear signal from the jury to discourage continued defamatory behavior. Judge Kaplan's emphasis on the significance of punitive damages, taking into account Mr. Trump's wealth, provides insight into the strategy employed in seeking substantial compensation. But this legal battle isn't just about the financial damage, it's also about the broader societal implications. The power dynamics, social influence, and the impact of public figures' actions are all under the spotlight. The verdict's resonance will likely echo through future legal proceedings and public discussions. In conclusion, this case is a fascinating intersection of politics, law, and social implications. Its impact goes beyond the courtroom, reflecting its significance in the broader cultural and political landscape. It's always advisable to consult legal experts or reputable sources for the most accurate and detailed analysis. If there are any more questions or if further explanation is needed on any particular aspect of this legal case, don't hesitate to ask.